I've arrived, guys. I just arrived at Nissi Beach, guys. So this is the Nissi Beach, guys. It's one of the best beach here. And which, guys, you can see I'm already literally in the sea. You know, so I'm going to show you guys while I'm talking to you, you know. So this beach, guys, is a beautiful place. Beautiful sunshine as well, guys. This is going at 36 degrees today, guys. It is really, really, really hot, guys. And when you come to this place, man, it's one of the most unique places I ever vlogged, guys. You know, you're in the sea. Look, there's a lot of people up behind me there, guys. Look at that. You know, they do have the umbrellas, they do have the chairs, they got everything, and they're gonna party as well, guys. This meant to be a party beach, guys. It's one of the best beach here in Cyprus I've ever been, guys. You know, and I'm telling you, here in Ainapa, it's the best place to come, guys. The best beach. But they also said there's a Turkish side as well, guys. I also want to take you guys there sometime later. Don't know when yet, guys. But for now, I'll be showing you the beautiful beaches out here. Okay, when I come here, guys, this is the #1 place I like to vlog for everyone. So I did promise to bring the vlog here and surprise you fans. But thank you so much, guys, you know. So let us continue into this video, and God bless you all. Yeah, one thing I want to say as well, guys, look how clear the water is as well, you know. You can literally see the bottom. Look at the bottom of the sea, guys. Look at that. You got that nice golden color, wavy. Look at that. You can see every part, guys. Look at that. I'm literally walking right in the water, guys. So this is the shallow part, you know, for people who is afraid to swim. And that's the deep part out there, guys. You know, so yeah, so anyone who can swim, go forward. And I'm one of them. I can swim, guys. I can go, doesn't matter how far I go in the sea. For me, I'm a good swimmer. Really, really lovely, guys. And you know something, guys, I have something to share with you. You know, definitely have something to share with you. So this is what we don't do in London, guys. You know, we don't have anything like this in London. You know, we don't have anything like this. Not in London, but maybe in a place called Bournemouth. We do have that, guys, you know. And these are the activities that do over here, guys, you know. So these are things that we don't do in London, you know. So I come from London. We don't have any beaches or anything like that in London, guys. And over there, you know, we do have an island over there, guys. I'm going to be taking you over to the island. Look at it, guys. Can you believe that? Look, it's literally just a cliff. Well, look at it. It's an island. And also can see people on there. So I'm going to take you there later, guys. But for now, let me show you some of the beaches here, guys, you know. And look at that. People are doing activities. People are doing everything here in the sea as well, guys. And I'm literally just walking literally in the beach, guys, in my clothes. Everything, guys. You can do anything here, guys, you know. It's so much fun you got here, guys, you know. Like, you can bring your kids. You can bring anybody here, guys. But, you know, people here, guys, this is the party animal town, guys. You know, there's a lot to do here. There's a lot to do here, guys, you know. You know, you guys just keep enjoying this video. You know, you can do jet skiing, you can do everything, guys. So many things you can do there. So I'm gonna go and check out the